know what I like? I like trees. Trees remind me of Keynote. Keynote is one of the best programs I've ever touched in my life. It is just so organized, so nice, and stuff like that. It made the project so much easier. Speaking of the project was pretty nice too. You know, got to use our imagination, make a children's storybook, choose your own adventure. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I didn't dislike anything though. It was a very nice project. There's nothing to dislike about it, unless you were just goofing off the whole time.
Hi, I'm Jacob. I really like this project. I like suns. They remind me of Keynote. Suns are great. Keynote's also great. I really liked the project. It was really cool. Not like the sun though, but it was still good. There wasn't much to not like about it. I mean, the sun's great, but I mean it's kind of hot. You know, Keynote's not hot. It's sexy. Thank you.
Name's Taylor Jacko.
Hi, I'm Jacob.
And today we're going to be showing you guys how to use Keynote to make a storybook or anything else you plan on doing, like a presentation or something. Okay, so first, well, if you already dragged it out of applications to your dock, it'll be right there. You can just click it, or you can just go to applications. If you haven't installed, go to Keynote, or go to Finder, search it up here, or just go to applications. So click on Keynote. Well, at first, once you click File, New, then it'll bring you the theme chooser, and you can choose something like Gradient, Kyoto, or Craft. Let's just go with Kyoto for now. Choose. Starts loading it up. Here you go. It's your title slide. Let's just call it Keynote tutorial. You can put your name by your name or whatever. Okay, so
Alright, so next we're gonna add a slide. You just go up to the top, hit new, bam, new slide. You know what I'm saying? Alright, and so you can add a bunch of text. You just go over to the text box at the top, or you can just click on already, you know, previous boxes or whatever, and then just type whatever you want in the box. And then you can like actually click on or highlight it, highlight the words, and then you'll go to Inspector, and you'll go to the second to last one, and then from there you just click Enable Hyperlink. And right now it'll just take you to the next slide, but you can actually make it go to the previous slide. You can actually choose like any slide you want to, you know, first slide, last slide. You can pick a number, you know.
okay, so you can also animate this text by, okay, so you can just go to the third box after you click Inspector, go to Compress, or something like Dissolve. As you can see, it dissolves in. Just X out, it'll save the animation you have on it. And you can edit the layout of the slide by going to Masters right here. Just let's say you want the photo above the text. Just click horizontal or wide horizontal. Just go to horizontal. There you go. It actually gives you two photo boxes, and Jacob will show you how to put the photos in there.
Alright, so you'll just get wherever you have your photo stored that you want in your book. You can just grab it and drag it over, and then it'll just pop in there like that. It's pretty simple. You can always change them, move them around the size and whatnot. And it's actually really cool because it gives you like the yellow line so you can like center it with other pictures or center it in the middle. You know, make it look real neat.
Yeah. So you can also mess around with the font. You know, you can change the size, change the type of font.
Swag.
Much swag. Change the font, make it 18.
Make it look real
36.
fancy.
Yeah. So you fancy, huh? Okay.
What the heck's wrong with his face?
Recording.
Oh my god.
Golly.
What was that? We're gonna edit it out. It's okay.
I think that'd be pretty good.
Okay, you can add a shape if you want to. If you plan on doing that ever. That is square in.
If that happens to be what you're into, making squares.
Add a table if you need it. But yeah, might not want to make it as big, but you know. Also add charts. Like that. You can just, it's like something like Excel. It's like a mini Excel. You can just edit the information inside of it.
Swag.
Much swag. And you can also mess around with the transitions of the slides. You know, just go to effect. Let's go with, well, that's for the text, but okay. But you could go to revolve. It revolves everything on that slide. Or you could like go to perspective and it does that. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's our tutorial.
It's pretty great. You'll love it. Hopefully.
So bye.
Later.
Swag.
Fancy.